Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today we're going to deal with part 7 on the ongoing series of the 1972 rewired Super Beetle. As you can tell, I'm looking at the left front headlight, which is going to be the driver's side, and that's going to be the topic of today's video. So this one is really quick and simple. It's going to be a 14 gauge wire that's going to go from the headlight up into the wiring harness, and out of the wiring harness that controls the front headlights. It's going to be one quick simple wire. It's going to be all solid yellow, and it's going to plug in the back of fuse number 3. So grab a drink and we'll head up to the fuse box and knock that out real quick. Alright, just to give you a quick perspective, you can see on the lower wire, that wire is going to go right into the front headlight. I'm just going to trace the wire so you guys can get a good idea of how the wire is going from the casing. It goes into that connector, which we talked about in earlier videos. It's going to go straight up. It's going to be, in this case, it's going to be the darker of the two wiring looms. One's going to go to the back of the car, and the other one's going to go to the fuse box. And it's going to be that bright yellow wire that we can see from here. Now don't get confused, because there's a yellow wire and a yellow with black stripe wire. So we're going to just use the solid yellow wire. And as you can tell, that wiring harness goes and folds right behind the brake reservoir, goes up behind the left hinge, and it goes into the whole entire, this big wire chunk of wires come out of that wire loom that we just got done talking about. Here's the yellow with the black wire. We're not dealing with that one, but we are going to deal with this all solid yellow wire, and that wire is going to go into the third fuse, just like the first fuse we did. There's nothing going to go into the front of this one either, because as you can tell on this one, it's got the bar that goes across. So it's going to pick the power up from whatever is going to go into this location right here. So just to give you guys a quick recap, we're going to start the left front headlight. We'll get a side angle here, which is going to be, let me get focused here. Focus is going to be this wire. It's going to go into here. The wire is going to come out here into this rubber casing. The casing is going to go up, follow up into the Y here, the connector. Well, it's not really a connector, it's just a join where the wires join together. It's going to follow that dark gray case, which there's about 5 or 6 wires up there. It's going to go behind the the brake reservoir, under the hinge of the hood. It's going to come out with this big chunk of wires right here. It's going to be the all yellow wire, and it's going to connect to fuse number 3, location number 3, onto the back, because there's nothing that gets held onto the front. So the next fuse we do is going to pick that wire up and connect the power here. So that'll be video number 8, or part 8 in this video series. So stay tuned. As always, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, or don't. We'll end this video like we always do. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great country, our great nation. We'll catch you on the next video, and you guys have a good one.